Well, this tree came down, and look at the wires. Look at the electrical wires being pulled down by that tree. And the telephone pole is hanging over the street. And look at those wires being tightly held by the tree that took it down. And this is in the middle of the road in West Roxbury, Massachusetts, after Hurricane Irene came through, which by the time it got to us, it was just a tropical storm. But this was something very dangerous that happened, you know. And look at now the street light is on, and the street light is down on the, see if you can see that glare, that's the street light coming on. And it's broken and hanging over like that. And look at those wires just coming down like that. And they've got the whole road blocked off so nobody can come here. And there are the wires again. It's unbelievable. The telephone pole lying across the road, and the telephone pole broke. I'm not gonna.
Okay, I wish you wouldn't even be over there.
It's the most unbelievable thing, isn't it? Just from a little tropical storm, maybe 40-mile-an-hour winds, but they came like for quite a while. I've seen a lot of trees down in West Roxbury from this storm. It's amazing. It really is. Right across the street. I think this is Center Street. It goes by the West Roxbury crushed stone and up towards Washington Street.